Match.
The prize you pay.
You got a one with the prize.
That's how far how much you win.
I didn't see that there.
How do you do that one then? You just do the 4.
What?
Open the 4 and the
Actually,
muffins.
I've won like £1 million. Well, that's not right.
How much is it?
Because it says £5,000, but I've only matched one.
That's your prize if you match your number.
No. Match one of the dice. What? Wait, this can't be right.
Wow, Fiona.
Oh my god, can someone just check this? Because I actually think...
Well, where'd you...
Look, my lucky number is 5. Your dice roll, I've got 5. And it says, scratch off all of the squares, match any one of your dice to the lucky number and win the prize. Have I just won £5,000? Have I?
You must have.
I just won this is right.
How'd you play that?
It
says prizes of 5,000 or more must be presented to some. I don't know.
She could calm down, Fiona.
You've got to ring through to the National Lottery.
Don't help.
No,
No one's touching my card.
Where do you send it to?
I don't think this is right. I can't have won £5,000.
Where have you got to send it to?
I'll get a photocopy of it.
Windup Enterprise, Joker Street.
Oh,
you git.
What was that?
It's a joke. I knew it wasn't right.
There you go.
Oh no!
That is cool.
That's really mean.
I bet you already had that spin.
Oh, I was just thinking, I knew it could be right. Oh,
What is it?
that's so unfair. Like, you got like adrenaline going through it. She was speechless.
Tell, I know.
How wouldn't you have been? Oh, you get. I hope I win the 6,000.
So how was it done? How did it look?